There we go. Hey, big boy. Oh shit, how could I miss him so close? Ah! Hello there, my BEA beautiful pebbles. My name is Berg Feisenberg, and I'm right now here with Gothic Brian for another Pebble Play. He is right now creating a server on No More Room in Hell, which we both just downloaded, and we're going to take a shot at that. And meanwhile, we're just enjoying this lovely, somewhat scary zombie music. You like it too. I can see it in your faces.
Just a second, I will respawn. And I see your name.
Holy shit! Oh my god! That's a black dude with an afro. Fuck!
Yes, I see.
Help! It hurts!
I'm helping.
Ah! Wait, you have an afro too!
I do?
They're here!
Yeah. Alright, move, I'll shoot him in the face. Oh, holy shit, he was actually... And I shot him in the face. Look at that. Look at that.
Awesome.
I keep my promises. I know nothing about... Oh shit, from behind! Ow, you're hitting me.
Am I?
Yeah.
I'm not in the same room.
Oh, then you're probably not, no. Ow. No, I'm dying! Fuck!
You came back as a zombie, you killed me.
Really?
Yes, you did.
Oh.
And now your body's following me, and you're dead.
Oh, I look handsome. Holy shit. And I love the little eye detail I have. Oh, those are my glasses? I look hot. You're a Negro, by the way. You look like some sort of 70s cop.
Uh-oh.
You even...
No, I'm not dying.
You even have a golden cross necklace. We died.
Yep.
Damn, we suck! There is a god, and he's a bastard. Alrighty then.
I think we need to protect zone A, B, and C.
Oh, of course. Let's find some bitches and I'll flame their asses.
Alright.
Oh, there's someone here, I think.
I'm right behind you.
Okay, there we go, hold on. Move, for fuck's sake.
I'm gone, don't worry.
Oh, shoot that thing, shoot that thing.
Just wait and wait.
Ah! Well, it worked.
That's true. There are only 20%.
I found a fucking sledgehammer.
Awesome.
But I'm almost dead.
Oh, goddammit.
Dude, I think I'm bleeding out. I can see shit. Everything is just dark.
I know.
And I died.
Thanks, that. Uh-oh. Pfizer, you left me alone.
Oh, but I spawned. With a wrench. Holy shit. Ah! Oh, this weapon is strong. Lol, myself tried to kill me. It's really good when they grab you. You just look at this. Look at me. Okay?
You use V.
Yeah, exactly. Because then we'll just get away. Smack. Oh shit. Oh, double kill. Oh, dude, pick up the sledgehammer.
Where?
Right here, where I stand. Look up, you ass. Dude, get back in there for fuck's sake.
Oh, okay. Oh, there you are. Okay.
Right there.
Oh, cool.
Right there.
Got it.
Oh yeah. Try your luck at that one, son. Awesome.
Smash those faces.
Soldier of Gamer has joined the game. I want to vote kick him. Does that make me a bad person?
Nah.
What's that sound? Oh shit, Soldier of Gamer. Let's kill him.
Yeah, sure. Smack a bitch. Smack a bitch.
Do you think he's going to die? I don't think he's going to die.
He's not even...
We look really bad on YouTube right now.
Yeah, probably.
I was just trying to smash this crate, even though all of you watching this video can see what my real intentions was.
Sure.
Look,
I got you on tape, Faison. I got you on tape.
God damn it.
Okay, new round, new chances.
Okay. Let's start by smashing this. I'm going to find some good... Okay, cool. I got like 34 shotgun shots.
I got one load left.
You do?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, I know. I found some zombies. I'll shoot them in the faces now.
Alright. Hey, you killed 2 zombies. 3.
Fuck, I'm bad at...
You're bad at aiming?
Yeah, it just went right through his head.
I got one load.
Where are you? I can't find you.
I'm at B, I think. Oh, I found some more zombies.
Yeah, me too.
I got one load remaining.
Die! Oh, and I ran out of ammo.
Bitches. Oh, there's no A here, dude.
I got one load
There was
left.
A and B. A, B, and C is right at each other.
No, there's only B and C.
Huh? Really?
Yeah.
I got one load left.
When I press on the compass, I see A.
Really?
At the restaurant, dine and drink Camilla's.
Ow!
Now I can find you.
I'm right behind me. Dude, here, take this weapon. Holy shit! And I just used all the ammo on panic. Great. Is this A?
Yeah, this is A.
I can't see that.
Why can't you see? That's right over there. Right over there. There.
Nope. Not on my
Nope.
screen. This is weird. Okay, let's go. Let's get it to B because B is getting overrun, as you can see.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, where is B? Dude, we really have to hurry.
I know.
Pulled out the shotty. Time to blast some faces. Hold on, I got this by. I got this. I got him. I got him. I got him.
Okay, okay. I got this one.
I got the one behind. Dude, sledgehammer, saved ammo. There's a sledgehammer on the shelf.
Awesome. Where? I
Oh shit.
Don't you ever say I just walked
Found it?
away.
Great.
I will
Got it.
always
Mine.
want you.
I came in like a wrecking ball.
Oh shit, I missed him. I missed him.
It was a connection problem. Yes. This is zone A. This is zone A where you are
Oh
right
shit, you scared the shit out of me.
now. Sorry.
You know the one you're fighting with there? He looks the same as you.
Yeah, I know. I was that. Oh fuck no. And I died again.
Ah. I'm just. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Where the fuck did you come from?
I saw her running towards you. Whoa.
Oh, that's like a little girl. Oh shit, that's a lot of guys here.
I got one load remaining.
Oh, zone B is also running low.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Fuck, he was
You
fast.
died.
Did you see how fast he was?
Yeah, I saw. And I'm.
Kill me! Kill me!
Yeah.
Dude, there's a lot of zombies.
I see. I'm watching it from your view. Zone
Holy
A is also
fuck.
running.
Holy shit, you black son of a bitch!
He jumped right at you.
Holy fuck. I actually love the sledgehammer. It's a really great weapon, and it's so satisfactory to just see them fall like flies. Dude, there's a fuel bar in here. There's a fuel bar inside A. Holy shit, I'm scared. Oh god, I'm bit.
Hey, you're dead.
I'll be a zombie soon, just so you know.
You're getting up.
Fuck you, me. It is so weird killing myself. Like, I'm like the biggest master chest ever. You took my weapon. Screw you.
You want it back?
Nah, it's fine. Take it, bro. Oh, I found a crate.
You did? Oh, awesome.
But I can't. How the fuck do I open this? Oh shit, you scared me. Fuck you, you hit me.
Sorry. Yeah, you hit me.
That was a payback.
I think I'm becoming a zombie because my screen is all getting weird.
Shall I kill you?
Not yet.
Okay. Sorry,
Asshole.
sorry. Okay.
And I'm
It
dead.
looks like you just puked everything you got.
Yeah, and I'm coming back to life.
Yes, you are. Get back down, motherfucker. Oh, dude, there's a machete in here.
Can you chop some limbs
Look,
off?
look, dude, look.
Awesome. Chop off some limbs.
I will.
oh,
Dude, some are behind this door. Are you ready, motherfucker?
I'm ready.
Why the fuck did you just... You fucking idiot. You fucking idiot.
You asked me if I was ready. I was
Yeah, I
ready.
didn't say I was ready. Jesus.
You sounded ready.
Yeah, screaming like a bitch. I sound so ready.
And I've respawned.
Oh. Holy shit.
Die, you piece of shit. Oh.
Oh, I'm first place.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
are, and I'm second.
Okay, let's call it for now, bro.
That's good for me.
Well, this was nice.
It was nice, really, it is.
Okay, well, thank you for watching. This was the second Playable Play, actually, featuring Gothic Brian, who has his own channel, and I shall be linking it in the description, so go check him out. Well, that was all for now. Remember to leave a like. It's the easiest way you can help me, and it really does. rock on, Pebbles, and I'll see you in the next video that I make.
Stort minusden. Easy news, you played on those, you played lots of shooters, yeah, whatever. Piss off. It fits so well with the music. This is so gangster, man. You been to downtown? This is the shit they play at downtown. Oh my god, I miss Bioshock, man. Welcome to Bioshock. Have a glass of water with me.